Hey, what's up guys? It's Jake with BulletSafe. I am here with a brand new soft armor vest. This is the BulletSafe VP4. It's our latest and greatest generation of the 3A soft armor vest. It has officially replaced the VP3 that you all know and love. Our product development team put a ton of different features and upgrades into the VP4, so we want to take some time and go over the changes that we've made. Before we get into all the different features and upgrades that we made transitioning from the VP3 to the VP4, I did just want to make it clear, this is still a 100% US made and NIJ certified armor. It's actually the exact same armor blend that was in the VP3 armor panels that we've got in the VP4. But when product development was playing with the ideas and the different boxes that they wanted to check with the upgrades, one of the main focuses was customization and mobility. With their focus on increasing mobility, what our product development team did was remove some of the excess material that you had at the bottom of the armor panel, as well in the shoulder armpit areas. So while your mobility goes through the roof, much higher percentage of mobility, you're actually only losing about 2 to 3% of the overall protection area. One of the main focuses our product development team had whenever they're concocting up the idea of this VP4 was creating a more customizable fit. So what they came up with was a dual comfort flex strap system. Now in layman's terms, all that means is the VP4 is actually going to come with 2 sets of not only shoulder straps, but 2 sets of waist straps as well. Like I said, each VP4 is not only going to come with your standard length straps, but you get an extended length shoulder strap as well. And the same goes for the waist straps. You got your standard length and your extended length. Another upgrade that we've made with the VP4 was increasing the Velcro area for the straps to attach to in the chest and waist areas, as well as the back of the carrier. This allows us to focus more on that customizable fit. You've got a lot more Velcro area there to tweak where you're gonna place those straps to make sure that the vest fits perfectly to you. So not only are you getting 2 sets of straps with the VP4, but we also made some great upgrades to the straps themselves. First off, we went with a more durable material here in the elastic. So again, customization, I'm gonna say it 1,000 times in this video, but this allows you to customize the fit of the vest. It's also more durable, so it's gonna last longer as time goes on. Another upgrade is we went with the more low profile Velcro on the strap itself. But as you can see, even though it's more low profile, you're still getting a great hold on the vest. Now the last upgrade we made to the straps themselves was introducing a finger cutout right here on the strap. What this is for is just allow you to more easily get underneath that strap, pop that vest off at the end of the day. Just like the VP3, you can add our rifle plates to the VP4. Of course, there's been some upgrades, some changes. I'm gonna say upgrades 1,000 times in this video. But now the opening for that plate pocket goes all the way across the chest. That just allows you to get that plate in there more easily. On top of a larger opening, we've also introduced an elastic denim here at the bottom of the carrier. There's 2 main reasons that we decided to go with this elastic denim at the bottom of the carrier. Number 1, it allows the plate to sit a little bit deeper, which actually leads to a more secure seal of this Velcro at the top of the plate opening. Reason number 2 that we decided to go with the elastic denim, we actually got some feedback from law enforcement officers as well as security professionals that when they had accessories on their duty belt, whether that's handcuffs, batons, tasers, pistols, whatever it may be, over time those accessories would rub the bottom of the carrier, cause some damage. So this elastic material is more durable and it's gonna make sure that you don't have any damage caused to the vest itself if those accessories are rubbing on it. There it is, guys. That's it. That's the BulletSafe VP4. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, tons of new features, tons of new upgrades. We're very excited to get this product out to you guys. It is in stock and available on our website, bulletsafe.com. You can also contact our customer service team if you've got questions on sizing, warranties, whatever it may be. I'm Jake with BulletSafe. Y'all stay safe out there.